Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 15, and today I will show you how you can set up and use your portable hotspot. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, right over here, like so, and this will bring down your toggles. Now, obviously we're looking for the hotspot toggle, which looks like it's not added by default, unless I'm very blind, but I don't think I am that blind. So we're going to click right here on this edit button. Keep in mind, I can see labels right here, but by default you won't. So if you want to also see the labels in the first swipe, under edit they're just visible by default, but if you want to see them all the time, you can check the checkbox right here, and this will show you also in the notifications. Now, we're going to swipe down to all these ones that have the green plus, and we're looking for obviously the hotspots. So let's see if I can quickly find it. There we go, it's right over here. Once you see it, click on the plus, check mark, and you can see it's now added. So from here, we're going to hold it at least the first time, and the reason for that is because once we navigate to set up portable hotspot, you will see first password. It's a randomly generated password. There we go. Which, without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. So I do recommend selecting it and then just straight up getting rid of it. And from here, select your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Now, the complexity and letters and numbers doesn't really matter here. I picked something very simple, such as my memory, so it's going to make it a little bit easier for me to remember the password when I actually want to use it on that random occasion. Now, we also have the SSID, which basically means the network name, and it's the name of the device, so it makes it very easy to find. Next, we have security. Keep it as it is. This is what protects your network. Then we have device identification, so portable hotspot, that really doesn't matter. Hide SSID, this will basically mean that when you hide it and you go into on other devices to the Wi-Fi list, you will straight up need to write in the entire network name and the password correctly in like the manual section, and if you type it in all correctly, it will then connect, but it won't be showing up in the list of like foundable networks. So it looks like everything in here, so we're going to click on the check mark to save those changes, and in here in the portable hotspot section right here with the toggles, we have turn off hotspot automatically. So turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. So this is enabled by default, but if you find that it just annoys you where it turns it off and you just don't want it to, you can turn that toggle off. I personally like to keep it enabled, as hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're done using it and you just forget to turn it off, it would just be wasting that battery, and this would ensure that doesn't happen. So anyway, we can now close this up, and whenever you want to enable your hotspot, just find the toggle in here again, and this time around simply tap on it. You can see hotspot is on, and you can also see this little chain link icon right here that indicates that the hotspot is running. You can see it's still here, and when you're done using it, you can turn it off yourself by just finding this toggle once more and tapping on it again, or just wait for it, and if you have that toggle enabled for the automatic turn off when no devices are connected, then your device will turn it off after like a couple minutes. So there we go. Now, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.